Morning everyone. I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Today's topic is nouns possession. It's quite different from the earlier topics. Earlier we have discussed the three parts of noun, that is noun, in which we discuss about the kinds of noun. Second, noun numbers. Third, noun gender. Here's noun possession. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, that is Unique Eduvision. I hope you like this stuff and you subscribe my channel. Thanks for that appreciation. I really grateful to you. Now, topic is noun possession. What is possession? A possessive noun shows ownership by adding an apostrophe s, or both to a noun. If we add apostrophe s, apostrophe, or both to a noun, it shows the ownership. Ownership means possession. For example, I went to a house of Abhi. Whose house is this one? Abhi. So, to show the possession and ownership, we just use the apostrophe s here. I went to Abhi's house. Whose house is this one? Abhi's. So, Abhi's ownership is shown by putting apostrophe s sign here. Now, after know the meaning of noun possession, here's the time for rules, where we have to put apostrophe, where we have to put apostrophe s, where we have to put both. So first, start with singular noun. When there is a singular noun and not ending with s, there you have to show the possession by just putting apostrophe s. For example, Manpreet. Manpreet is not ending with s, so here you can put apostrophe s to show the possession, to show the ownership of Manpreet. Mrs. Verma. Mrs. Verma is not ending with s, so this noun is not ending with s, so you have to put apostrophe s. Second rule is whether the noun is singular or plural. Here, your noun is whether singular or plural, then you have to put apostrophe sign only when there is ending with s. If your noun is singular or plural and ending with s, then you have to put only apostrophe sign, not apostrophe s. Okay, so discuss about the example. The students. The students is a plural noun. The students is a plural noun. To show the possession, we just put apostrophe sign at the end of the students. You can see here the students. After that, I just put the apostrophe sign. Second part, Mr. Das. Here Mr. Das is singular noun, but ending with s, so we have to put apostrophe sign only. Third rule and the last rule, that is plural noun. When your noun is plural, in that case, how you can show the possession? In that case, you can show the possession by apostrophe s. The men. Men is plural. If there is man, then it's singular, but here's men is plural, men. So you have to put apostrophe s to show the possession, to show the ownership. The hats of men. The hats of men. Then you have to put the men's hat. The men's hat. Men's apostrophe s and hats. Okay. This is about the rules. As you know very well, I like the practice session of every chapter. For example, we discuss about any topic, I go for practice session so that you can understand the topic in a better way. So same here, use apostrophe in the following. The sister of Amit. Whose sister? Amit. So you have to put apostrophe s because Amit is singular and not ending with s. So here you have to put apostrophe s. So sentence will be, the words will be apostrophe s laga ke Amit's sister. The birthday of Mala. Whose birthday? Mala. Mala's birthday. After mala, we have put apostrophe S. The sari of my mother. Whose sari? My mother. My mother's sari. We have to put apostrophe S. The hair of baby. Don't use hairs. Hairs are nothing. Hair is singular, plural are same. The baby's hair. It becomes baby's hair. Baby is singular noun, so you have to put apostrophe S. The house of Mrs. Biswas. Mrs. Biswas' house. So Biswas is ending with S. So you have to put just only apostrophe sign, not S, because S is already at the end of this. So Mrs. Biswas' house. The bag of doctor. The doctor's bag. The doctor's bag. The trunks of elephant. The trunks. Trunks is plural. Elephants is also plural. And at the end of elephants there is S. So you have to just put apostrophe sign. So the possessive noun should be the elephants apostrophe trunks. The tails of cats. The tails of cats. The cats apostrophe tails. Now you have to rewrite the sentence in plural form. First is the sheep's wool. Sheep is already plural, so no need to change anything. So there is no change. That's why I have written no change. Second, the bull's horn. You have to make it plural first. So bulls become B-U-L-L-S, bulls, and after that you have to put apostrophe sign. Horns. The baby's laughter. Baby's apostrophe S is singular. To make it plural, you have to put B-A-B-I-E-S. You have to put I-E-S. And if you are ending with S, so you have to just put apostrophe sign. It means the baby's laughter. The woman's bag. Here's woman singular. Woman. It becomes women's bags. See, the lady's dress. Lady apostrophe S is singular. To make it plural, you have to use I-E-S. So if you make it plural by adding I-E-S, it's ending in S. So you have to put apostrophe sign only. The lady's dresses. It becomes the lady's dresses. The men's suitcase. Men's apostrophe S is there. So men, M-E-N, it becomes. To make it plural, you have to use M-E-N, men's bag or men's suitcases. It's one of my favorite parts in which you have to just add apostrophe S or S only, nothing to do. Rewrite by apostrophe to show possession. So the gift for Sonam. Whose gift? Sonam's gift. Sonam is singular and not ending with S. So you have to put apostrophe S. Sonam's gift. The helmet belonging to Sachin. Whose helmet? Sachin. It becomes Sachin's helmet by using apostrophe S, because Sachin is ending with N, not with S. So you have to put apostrophe S. The shop belonging to grocer. Whose shop? Grocer shop. Grocer is ending with R, not with S. So you have to put apostrophe S. The grocer's shop. The office in which Mrs. Sharma works. Mrs. Sharma's office. Apostrophe S here you have to use. The lunch meant for Sonali. Whose lunch? Sonali. Sonali is not ending with a S. So you have to put apostrophe S. Sonali's lunch. The story written by Ruskin Bond. Who written the story? Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond's story. Ruskin Bond's story. Bonds is B-O-N-D apostrophe S, story. Now this is all about the practice session. Today I am thinking to give you a bonus. So in bonus I am giving you a tip. That is, if you are not able to learn the rules properly, Just go through these two rules, these two tips. After that, you are just expert in doing this chapter. First is whether your noun is singular or plural but not ending with s, you have to put apostrophe s. And second one is when your noun is singular or plural ending with s, then you have to put just only apostrophe. I hope you like this topic. If you like, then please comment, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.